Hello everyone, today we have 3 interesting electronic projects, watch the video till the end. The diagrams are in the video. Project number 1 is how to run a high voltage transformer using only 2 components. We are going to make 2 coils of 6 turns each and connect them in series. Project number 2, we are going to build a simple and useful tool, especially in car electrics.
This video is sponsored by JLCPCB, one of the world's leading manufacturers of PCBs. Cheap, fast and high quality. JLCPCB saves your time and effort. If you have a file for a project and would like to implement it, feel free to register via the link in the description box. Upload your Gerber file. You can choose number of layers, and how many PCB you want. You can choose color and features.
This tool can detect battery polarity from 3 to 12 volts. Just connect the tool to the power source, the polarity does not matter, then put the probe on the pole to see if it is positive or GND. The red LED means positive, the green LED means GND. Project number 3.